On this example here of the function, we're asked to find an equivalent function. So we're just factoring. So I'm going to I'm going to use my ACB method. Okay, let me go over here. My A times C equals my B. So I have my 4 times positive 35, and that is going to give me 140. Okay, and my B value is negative 33. So I'm looking for two factors of 140 that when I add them together, they're going to give me a negative 33. So this is a good chance that if you do not know the factors of 140, plug those into Desmos. Remember, it's just y equals, okay, I'll put in 140 over x. And then in the upper right hand corner, you're going to click on that gear button. Sorry, that's the best gear that I can do. And then you're going to select the table icon. Okay, so we're looking for two factors. Hopefully I've given you enough time to do that, and you should have come up with 28 and 5. Okay, is that what you came up with? Okay, 28 and 5. So, as you know, when they multiply together, they need to do a positive 180, but when they're added together, negative 33. So both of these are going to be negative, okay? And now I'm simply just going to break apart that middle term, that B term, and find my two binomials. So here I'll have my 4x squared. Okay? I'm going to break apart this middle term. I have my negative 28x and my minus 5x. I got both of these terms just from right here. Okay, and then my plus 35. So I simply just expanded this trinomial. Now I am going to group both of these together and find the greatest common factor of each of these individual binomials. Here I could factor out a 4x from both. And when I do that, I'm left with x minus 7. On the next one, I can factor out a negative 5. And then I'm also left with a x minus 7. And that is my evil plan. I want what is in parentheses to match. And I'm just going to bring down what I had factored out. From this one, I factored out a 4x. From this one, a negative 5. And then these are my two factors. I have one of my factors here, which is x minus 7. And my other factors here, 4x minus 5.